So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you have subscribed, you want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So now take a look at this on our trend on New Zealand dollar JPY. It is very clear that New Zealand dollar JPY is an uptrend move. Now, guys, I want you to guys to take a look at this moment. If this is your high on your New Zealand dollar JPY, this is your higher low, then this is your higher high and your higher low is here. This is also your higher high and this is your higher low. New Zealand dollar JPY eventually formed a new higher high and here comes the higher low. So you all know that this is a no-brainer that New Zealand dollar JPY will be pushing up to it's able to form a new higher high. So that is to tell you that we should be anticipating for a bullish move on New Zealand dollar JPY. So guys, our next movement next on New Zealand dollar JPY will be a bullish move. So guys, is anticipating for a bullish move on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So we had this rejection here and this market rejected here. So we expect market to push up further. Now let's take a look at it on our 4-hour time frame. So if this we had this double bottom here, the markets push up right here, and here comes the pullback. Market was able to push up again, right? And the pullback is currently playing out. So once this pullback plays out finish, we should expect New Zealand dollar JPY to push up again. So guys, whatever thing you would want to be doing on New Zealand dollar JPY, you would want to be doing to be buying on the New Zealand dollar JPY. So for the day, we should expect New Zealand dollar JPY to give us a bullish move. If there will be any changes to this move as predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. Therefore, you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button, like and share.